Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change text color on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open any document. Now you can use two methods to change your text color on Word. So at first, just select your text and then click on Home tab. After that, on the font option you can find font color. Just click on this arrow icon and that's it. Now from here you can change your text color and you can choose any color as you like. Suppose if you want to set this color, just select it and that's it. You can see text color has been changed successfully. Also, if you click here again, now if you want to get more text color, just click on more colors option. Now from here choose any custom color and then click on OK and that's it. For the second method, just select any text again and here you can see a window. Just click on this text color option again and then choose any color and it's done. And that is how you can change text color on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.